Shadow Ops 3. Let's see what that entails. All right, let's bring in a few troops as just protection. Back up. We get Darkstorm. We get 3 Absolvers. We get 1 Devout. Just want to get the shadow just up to these guys. Just a hair. Good enough right there. That'll have to work. The majority of our work's going to be done with just 4 controllers. We're going to clear the base and get a few Just take your time, slowly kill whatever shows itself up. Use the protection of the Darkstorm to help you out. That'll kill him. Let's go clear a little bit out on the other side. Just kill them as they come. Let them come to you. Don't be in a big hurry to get there. As they come, you kill them. Once you get out here, we're going to have to kill the planes that are flying around. So we'll get out here a little bit, and then we'll just wait, and they'll come to us. But as you get out there, some of the troops will start attacking. Okay, we got to get rid of this. He's going to attack us, so we'll start heading this way, but we won't get very far. Again, we just want to draw them out. Okay, he's too far away. Let him go. They're moving in for the kill. He'll take that back and he'll kill some stuff down there. So that's one advantage. Just let him run back. Okay, you got that. All right, you got another one here. We'll kill him. He didn't get back too far. Okay, now we're going to move up here and kill some of this stuff. And the planes are going to attack. When the planes attack, our controllers will shoot them. Is that going to take him out? Yes, okay, that took him out. We're looking for some of the planes to show up. That way they'll take themselves out. All right, we're going to have to encourage them to move. Here they come. Here they come. There we go. Just keep your eyes on whoever else is coming after you. Kill him. Here comes another one. Just keep your eyes open. Okay, here come the planes. Uh-oh, getting shot. That'll take out a couple planes right there. They will drop bombs on you, so the sooner you can get rid of them, the better. If you just move out here a little bit, the planes will come after you. Like I said, we're just taking our time, killing it as it comes. You can probably do it faster if you want, but we're getting minimum damage. Let's get a plane here. Got to get to planes, so we're just going to sit here, see if we can get those planes to go. There we go. Should get both of them now. There we go. All right, now let's go over here. Clean out the middle. With that plane moving, we'll probably get him next time. This time we should get him. There we go. He's dead. Plane's dead. Stay away from the two rails. The more that you can take out these little riflemen, the better. Stay away from the rails. All right, we'll just finish it now with a chopper, because almost everything's dead. Yeah, there's nothing significant out there. We'll get a little bit of damage, but we'll get maybe a minute's worth of damage on our chopper. Let the chopper engage, then kill it. They're in the process. These guys, the only things you have to worry about, these three. Once they're dead, nothing will damage our chopper. So he's in the process of killing everything, so just let him fire. Let's speed it up a little bit. Last guy that we have to kill him, and then our chopper won't be damaged. We might get a little, yeah, we got a little bit there, but that'll be a minute maybe. One more to kill and we're done. That's it. So that's all you have to do. It's pretty easy. Let's see what we get. I don't think we're going to get anything. Oh, yeah, we will. Okay, let's see what we get. Got a little bit here, a little bit there. But as you can see, there's almost no damage. I don't think we have any damage to the controllers. Let's see if the chopper has any damage. One second damage to the controllers. Chopper, 0 damage. Okay, that was it.